Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. So first of all, let's go ahead right here and let's say you want to forward a message. So I'm going to click the plus button, click the photo, and what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and select that photo, for example, right? And make sure that the HD quality right here is turned on. It says right here it cannot set because the picture itself is not in high quality. And let's say, for example, I want to add this picture, right? And as you can see right here, it's in the HD quality. So I'm make sure that is eligible to be high quality, and I'm gonna just go ahead and make it HD quality, and I'm gonna forward that message or that picture. Right now, what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here, this is the photo and everything. Now what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead into basically clicking that picture, and then I'm gonna click the upload at the bottom left, and then I'm gonna save it to my library, or sorry, to my gallery. Go back and then go ahead and click the settings, click your name, and basically go ahead and click edit, and then basically edit or add a new picture. I double click the edit, and then choose a photo from your library. The same goes, and now you didn't lose that quality. So let me know in the comments of this video. Hope to. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.